Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the LA Metro and Bus app review to see if it's worth using. So to get started, the LA Metro and Bus app is designed to help riders navigate Los Angeles public transportation with ease. It provides features like real-time bus and train arrival update, trip planning, stations and stop locators, service alert, and the ability to save favorite routes. The app is free to download and its simple interface makes it convenient for daily computers and visitors alike. However, user reports some downside from the app, which include the occasional inaccuracies in live arrival times, app crashes and lags when loading details. Since it isn't the official Metro app, reliability can vary sometimes, especially compared to alternatives like the Transit app or Google Maps. In conclusion, the app is still worth using if you need a straightforward local transit guide with basic features, but not the best option if you expect flawless real-time tracking or a fully published experience. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Every day, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more reviews.